Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be trying my best to explain to you how you can edit your videos and your PowerPoint presentations. So let's get right into it. Now, why did I say try my best? It is because I do not have a newer version of PowerPoint. I have a very outdated one, and I for some reason cannot insert videos into it to show you guys, but I'll be doing sort of an analogy with a image I will insert. So let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to go into insert, and once you're in insert, you want to click on video. If you want to insert a video, I'll go into picture since I cannot insert videos. Every one I've tried just turns back an error. And as you can see, now I have inserted an image. Let's pretend this is a video just for the demonstration's sake. Now if you click and select the video in question, you will see a video format and another tab that says options or something of along the sort. And to edit your video, you want to access those two tabs. Now as you can see, I'm in the picture format tab, and I have all these options here. Now if you're on a video, you will have a couple of different options. You'll have the option to trim the video. You'll have the option to compress the video, do whatever you want with it. You'll have a couple of different options, and if you trim the video, you'll get another pop-up in which you'll have to draw or drag two sliders just to trim the beginning and the end of the video if you so choose. For example, let's pretend this picture is the slider. Let's say there's a video above this and this is the slider. You'll have to drag it like this to remove timing from the beginning and the end if you want to. And that is pretty much all I can show you guys. Sadly, I cannot get my hands on a newer version of PowerPoint, and my PowerPoint doesn't want to insert videos. But yeah, this is pretty much all I can show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.